Hi everyone, this is Kilipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dawn Bell has to offer. Ay, ano to? Wait lang, wala talaga may sumasagot sa akin talaga every time I ask. Kailan lalabas ang trailer nila? Naghanap ako ng trailer nila. Wala pa talaga silang nilalabas sa trailer nila, ma'am. Ay, hello. Ay, lalaki talaga siya. Ay, manghang-mangha na naman si Donnie. Charis! Manghang-mangha na naman si Donnie kay Belinda. Donnie, ano na, delikado na talaga si Donnie ba? Pinasabi ko na, bakit ganun yung tinginan nila? Cheska Alegre, Cisco Serrano. Ay, I love this. Wait, I love this. Gusto ko to. They really happy, no? They really happy talaga. Ay, what is this? Ay. Sana all. Pwede po. Okay. That kind of relationship, right? I know, right? Just, ganda ni Belle. Oh my God, oh my God. Ang kat ng kilikili ni Dok. Kakainis. Alam mo yung hindi naman siya hairless, pero damn, ang linis tingnan. You know what I mean? Dami nyung kakakrush ko ng mga barkada. Hello, gwapo din naman kasi talaga. Di ba? Kaya Belle, sa'yo lahat yan. Saan siya dalahan? Kay Belle lahat yan, ma'am. Ay, ano yan? Ay, ito. Hindi. Wala na ba ibang bago? Sige na nga, i-continue natin to. Si Cara, baka marami. Ito si Dawn Bell, baka marami siyang, diba, marami siyang ayuda. Ay, hindi. Napanood na din natin to eh. Tingnan natin yung mga repost niya. Bakit ganun? Ay, ito ano to? Ano to? Ah, mga stylist. Ay, atake. You are the one that I've been searching for my whole life too. Okay. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ano to? Ay, hindi naman to Dawn Bell eh. Ay, ito. Si Belle, pag kumanta, kala mo heartbroken. Kala mo wasak na wasak sa sobrang bigay na bigay ng emotion, no? Okay. Ganun ba talaga dapat? Ganun. Ay! Charis! Ngayon ko na ito napanood itong video na to. Ma'am, nalaglag yung panty ko, ma'am. Charek. Bakit nakakalaglag ng panty siya, ma'am? Nalaglag naman yung panty natin, ma'am, for today's video, ma'am. Okay. Ganda ni Belle. Diba? Tinan mo yung emotion na ini-invest niya sa kanta. O, nakakala ko talaga may... Ay! Hinubaran tayo ni Donnie. Sabagay si Belle hindi naman affected sa mga ganyan. Kasi parang sanay na din naman talaga si Belle. Cheese! Diba? Ay! Oh my God! Ay! Once pala siya. Hindi ba siya talaga? Ay, God! Core memory yung... Core memory yan. Core memory yan. Nawakan niya si Belle. Wala, bakit ako naiyak? Hala, bakit ako naiyak? Core memory talaga yan, ma'am. Totoo lang. Core memory yan for sure. No, maghanap pa tayo, Dawn Bell. Maghanap pa tayo ng Dawn Bell for today's video. Asa na yun? Wala na to. Wala nang kasunod dyan. Ay,
Never be afraid to fail. If you fail, if you fall down, the only place you can go to is up. So, yeah.
You fall 99 times just to get up there once. And if you think about it, that's life. You fall so many times.
Full of
but then
substance talaga siya.
achieving it just one
I mean,
time,
hello.
at least alam mo na yung
Ano
journey
yan,
on how to
no?
get back up again. Don't be too hard on yourself.
Pwede siya maging
It's
psych.
not gonna be an easy journey.
No?
There will be times that you fall and you fail, but just believe in yourself.
If I fall, it's okay. After this, I rise naman. After this, I'll get over it. It's just a bump on the
Tama.
road.
Complain, remain, praise, rise. To never stop dreaming and believing in themselves. I think it's never too late for us, for everyone to believe and start dreaming. Huwag kayong mapagod sa sarili niyo.
Gusto kong ma-realize nila na there's hope after everything they're going through, after all the sombers of life. There's still always one thing and something we can look forward to. Now you're gonna be fine at the end of all this. There's still solemnness.
Bakit
In
ganun
life,
siya,
there will
Belle?
be a lot of missed opportunities, but always remember that there's always something better coming your way.
Talino talaga siya. Bagay talaga sila ni Donnie. Kasi kung self-set. Ay, hindi. Wait, dati pa to. Ay, bago lang. Hindi matagal pa. Matagal na to. Wow, very protected naman nila. Hindi kay Belle. We watched this one already. Ay! The posters. Eh, kailan yung trailer? Ang lungkot ng posters, no? Ang bigat, no? And the behind the scene. The BTS. The BTS. Ay, baby. Si Sir Jake yan? Ay, matagal na to. Napanood na natin yun. Oh my God. Grabe, napaka-protective talaga ni Don. Sa totoo lang.
She deserves yung flowers kasi sobrang heartbreaking niya. Actually, not she has no
Ang
idea.
protective talaga ni Don.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Nakaspend na.
Ay,
It's nice that we get to have this quiet time as well.
sige, magantihan tayo ng ano.
Kasi, sabi lang natin sa kanya, may
Diba?
digital
Deep
shoot.
down,
Tignan natin kung
wala.
gaano magaling ang team. Pagsisinungaling.
Kitang-kita na tayo.
Kitang-kita nagtago kasi. Okay.
Anyways, this is our today's video from Dawn Bell Compilation. This is Cable Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.